Alright, welcome to the eBay Mystery Unboxing Hour. My goodness, look at this box. Jesus. So, there is supposed to be a slot car in here, so hopefully when I unbox it, that's what we find, and one that's not in a million pieces. So yeah, let's get this guy open and see what kind of condition the car is in. It's supposed to be brand new, sealed in box, so let's hope that's what we get, and the case isn't cracked, and all that good stuff, so let's see. Alright, well, I see a slot car, so that's good. There we go. Alright, I mean, it looks good. I don't see anything broken on the box. Yeah. So I went ahead and got another camel car. So the reason why I bought this off eBay was because this livery design wasn't in stock anywhere that I normally shop from, like Pendle or Slot Car Union. So I went ahead and searched for it on eBay, found it, paid way too much money for it, and yeah, here we go. So this is what was rattling around. This thing's supposed to be tied to the bottom. Just check it out real quick. But yeah, I wanted to get a Group C car to go along with the LMP car I had. Oof, that needs to be adjusted. Yikes. So yeah, so this is it. So Group C, it's the Porsche. So the Porsche 962. Yeah, so it should fit nicely with the rest of the camel cars I have. So, I mean, that's it for the unboxing. I might go ahead and do a deeper dive video on this car. Maybe I'll do a Group C versus LMP video or something like along those lines. But for now, that's going to be it on the Group C car. I do have more unboxings coming. I should have another package hopefully coming this week, and then another one probably next week. So yeah, stay tuned for those. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.